continuing our visit to Wailele. This time it's down towards Bua. Earlier this morning we visited the kin of Ndama, a community where both Itoke and Indo-Fijian members of our community are settled. There's about 189 members of the community are housed in that community, about 43 households. So we're very thankful that government was able to help in setting up the water system, the water supply system over there. I think it was a borehole project where we extended the water from a nearby settlement so that it reached them. Usually what they used to do was they had to walk maybe a kilometer or two every time they needed to go and get water and walk back uphill with their buckets of water. So I think it was a joyful day for the communities at Saioni and Wailele. And here you are at the Lokuti Government Station. This afternoon we also this similar kind of project where we've helped to improve the water supply system here for the people of this community. And again, once again, I think we are all very thankful that has eventuated with the government lending a hand. I think it's about in the previous project at Wailele and Saioni, I think we spent about $24,000, and we are very thankful that the impact of that amount has extended to all those households. And here at Lekutu, I think just $10,000 injection of funds in our assistance in the programs in our ministry. We've been able to extend that assistance and help members of the community here as well. And again, we're very thankful that we got the cooperation of the members of the community in helping us to get this project underway and completed. So today we're thankful that we've come to commission both water projects at both of these communities. Now, valeu.